All right, my friends, it is Tabata time. Today we are getting in a full body, low impact Tabata workout, meaning there's no jumping in any of today's exercises. But of course, we are still getting in a high intensity workout. We're going to get that heart rate up and have you feeling amazing. We have one circuit to get through. We're going to get through it 2 times. So if you're ready, give me a thumbs up and then follow along. We're starting right now.
Yeah, you call me when you're getting lonely, and I'll be there, cause you're not the only one. No, I feel the same as you do. It's a lonely, lonely place when you're not with me. It's a lonely, lonely place when you're not with me. It's a lonely, lonely place when you're not with me. It's a lonely place. It's a lonely place, yeah. It's a lonely place. It's a lonely place, yeah. It's a lonely place, yeah. Time's up, I need to get something straight. Are we getting closer than this? But you don't need to answer right away. Baby, you know I can't wait. So you call me when you're getting lonely. Yeah, you call me when you're getting lonely, and I'll be there, cause you're not the only one. No, I feel the same as you do. It's a lonely, lonely place when you're not with me. It's a lonely, lonely place when you're not with me. It's a lonely, lonely I call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go.
That's it, guys. Nice work. You made it through today's low impact Tabata workout. Comment below. Let me know what you thought. And of course, let me know what kind of workout you want to see next. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on so you never miss a new workout. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you at the next one.